For 10 days now, the world has watched a country of 44 million people come under relentless attack. But while Ukraine is being destroyed, the resolve of Ukrainians isn't. And that's in large part thanks to their leader, President Volodymyr Zelensky, a former actor and comedian who really did stumble into statesmanship. But what a role he's performing, especially considering the price on his head. Reports suggest Putin has tasked a kill squad with the job of eliminating him. So far, though, they've failed.
Hi, I'm Vladimir Zelensky, the new president of Ukraine. I want to invite you to visit our beautiful country and explore many investment opportunities here. Ukraine is one of the largest countries in Europe. We are ideally located geographically and we have a large population. So you can make money both internally and externally. Me and my team in the new government and parliament want to inject economic growth into the country's DNA. We need to change a lot here. Fire non-professionals and hire professional ones. Deregulate industries, simplify rules, improve the infrastructure and many other things. As you know, changes take time. Once we get there, most of markets and opportunities will be taken by someone else. I invite you, investors from any part of the world, to join the opportunity early and enjoy getting amazing returns on your investments. Your success will be our success. And that's why me and my team, we stand for every and each foreign investor, for every new job you will create, and for every dollar you pay as taxes. My vision is to have Ukraine as one of the fastest growing emerging economies in Europe. I lead this vision, and my new professional and technocratic government will execute accordingly. Welcome to the country of freedom. Welcome to Ukraine.
Tonight on Frontline, with Russia in economic crisis and tensions simmering over Ukraine, the world is watching Vladimir Putin.
When he's in the corner, that's when he's dangerous.
Tonight, the inside story of the Russian president's rise to power.
He has got so many guilty secrets, so much money's been stolen, that he doesn't really trust anyone to keep him safe if he steps down from power.
Correspondent Gillian Findley investigates the allegations that have haunted Putin.
There have been a number of credible investigations.
All this propagandistic quasi-investigation don't become victim of propaganda.
If you put these people in the United States and check what they've done, they're criminals.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to greet members and guests of the General Assembly of the International Exhibitions Bureau. Russia has a long and rich experience of participation in the World Expo movement. We took part in the very first Universal Exhibition in London in 1851, and at the Paris Exhibition in 1900. Our pavilion won the Colded Gold Medal and Grand Prix. But in all this time, Russia has not hosted the World Expo, not once. Surely, time has come to change this. So, we proudly submit our bid to host World Expo 2020 in Yekaterinburg, a dynamic and promising city. Our bids organizing committee has the full backing of the Russian government. We guarantee it will be a priority national project. We are going to build a massive state-of-the-art complex with the capacity to host 30 million visitors over the course of the event. We plan to allocate all the necessary funding for its construction. I am confident we shall welcome guests from 150 nations of the world with pride and dignity. Now, once again, I would like to make this very clear. Russia guarantees to fulfill the complete range of requirements set by the International Exhibitions Bureau. In particular, we are preparing a special program of support for developing countries. This will enable around 90 countries to freely participate in the Expo, completely free of charge. I can assure you that our grand-scale plans for 2020 will be delivered if Yekaterinburg is given the honor to host World Expo 2020. Thank you for your attention, and I hope for your support.